A very common question when it comes to visitor visas revolves around inviters, what their duties are, what their obligations are, what they need to provide. So allow us to clarify some of this for you. One of our clients writes us, "My cousin would be sponsoring for myself and my wife's expenses in Canada while we stay there as tourists. In such case, can we get a visitor visa?" So, of course the answer is yes. You can apply for a temporary resident visa or visitor visa with or without an inviter. Having an inviter means that there's someone in Canada whom you intend to visit and is the purpose of your intended visit to Canada. People can travel for tourism, for business reasons, whatever the case might be. You just need to demonstrate what your purpose is in Canada. So in your application, if you're saying you're going to visit your cousin and your cousin is inviting you to Canada, then they should be able to provide you with things like an invitation letter, which would basically outline and demonstrate that you'll be visiting them while in Canada. If your inviter is also willing to offer you hospitality like room and board, basic necessities like food, and cover some of those expenses, this should also be included in something like an invitation letter to help demonstrate this effect. Finally, if your inviter is also willing to take care of you financially and has set aside funds available for you, then you should also demonstrate this not only by an invitation letter, but by submitting proof of the inviter's income as well as means of income. This means something like an employment letter and bank statements, pay stubs, and other such financial documents like taxation documents as well would be very helpful to support their cause. So if you have an inviter in Canada, be sure to get them to write you an invitation letter, include all the pertinent details so that it can help strengthen your application. But again, you don't necessarily need one, but it's certainly helpful in your application. Thanks very much.